Good evening guys. In this video and in this tutorial, we're going to be learning about Python. Now, Python is an interpreted language created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991, or first released in 1991. Python is an interpreted language, which means that codes that are written in Python doesn't need to be compiled before being executed. In languages like Java and the rest, you write your code, you first have to compile them before you execute them. Whereas in Python, you write the code, you just save, and then you run your code, and it automatically interprets your code because it's interpreted line by line. And Python is used in a variety of fields like web application, artificial intelligence, mobile applications, data science, robotics, graphics, game development, and many other fields. I've used Python for web applications, I've used it in artificial intelligence, I've used it for machine learning. Also, Python has a very simple syntax. Most times, Python is a good language to learn when you are new to programming because the syntax is English-like, right? A lot of the words are basically, they look like English, so it's very simple to understand. It's very easy to comprehend. And so I trust that you enjoy the program and the lessons as we move forward. You will not just learn, but I trust that you keep practicing as we go on. So let's get started.